Welcome to this honest review of iDrive Cloud Storage. If you're new to the world of cloud storage, iDrive is a versatile, secure, and user-friendly platform offering affordable solutions for data backup and storage. In this video, I'll take you through every essential feature of iDrive's website, from its storage plans to its usability and pricing. Let's start by looking at iDrive's key features. iDrive offers robust options for both personal and business users, with storage plans ranging from a few gigabytes to several terabytes. It's known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to navigate and manage files. Whether you need storage for documents, photos, videos, or critical business data, iDrive's interface and well-organized dashboard make accessing and organizing files straightforward. One of iDrive's main advantages is its multi-device backup. You can back up data from multiple devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets, all under a single account. This is an attractive feature for anyone juggling data across multiple platforms and devices. iDrive also includes real-time file syncing, so your files are always up to date across devices, enhancing productivity and accessibility. In terms of security, iDrive uses strong encryption protocols, including 256-bit AES encryption, which keeps your data safe both during transfer and while stored. This level of security is particularly important for anyone storing sensitive or confidential information, as it reduces the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Now, let's talk about cost. iDrive offers various pricing plans, making it affordable for most users. For example, the 10 terabytes plan is available for those who need substantial storage without recurring subscription fees. This is a particularly cost-effective option for users who want a one-time payment plan rather than monthly or annual fees. Overall, iDrive's cloud storage service offers a solid blend of usability, security, and affordability. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever with no annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. For those considering cloud storage for the first time, iDrive's terms are clear and straightforward. Its storage plans are flexible, so you only pay for what you need. This makes it ideal for beginners as well as advanced users who require extensive storage. Thanks for watching this iDrive review. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and give a like. See you in the next video.